Welcome to solverfy.
Hi, today we are solving the question in which letters denote the daily demand for the completed product as D, and let X, Y, and Z represent the number of units of part A, B, C respectively required to produce 1 unit of the completed product. Now, according to the given information, total demand is given as 15,000. Now for part A, we can take it as X is equals to 1 by 1 minus 0.20 into 1 minus 0.10. Similarly, for part B, we can take Y is equals to 3 by 1 minus 0.15. And for part C, we can take Z is equals to 1 by 1 minus 0.25 into 1 minus 0.30. Now multiplying the requirements by the daily demand to find the daily requirements for each part. So here daily requirement for part A, is equals to D into X. D is the demand, X is the number of unit for A. Now similarly for part B, so D into Y, and for part C, D into Z. Now substituting all the values. So from here, as we can take from here, on solving it, demand for part A is equals to 15,000 into X value, that is 1.3889. So it can be taken as approximately 20,833.33. Unit can't be in decimal form, so rounded off to the nearest one, so we can take to 20,833. Now similarly for part B, we can take 15,000 into Y value, that is 3.5294. So here on similarly rounding off the multiplication resultant, so we get 52,941. Now similarly for part C, we can take it as 15,000 into 1.9048. Now rounding off the multiplication resultant, we get 28,571 units. So we get the required values as, therefore for A it is 20,833 units, for B it is 52,941 units, and for C it is 28,571 units. So this is the final answer. I hope you found the answer useful. Thank you.